Hi everyone, and thanks for checking out another of our videos. This is dumbbell shrugs. Guys, if you want a great aesthetic look in the upper shoulder in a vest or t-shirt, you definitely want to be working those traps. So this is dumbbell shrugs, standing position, feet square, knees soft, core tight. Take hold of two heavy-ish dumbbells and you want to shrug the shoulder up towards the ear. That's the outer shoulder towards your ear. This one does take some work, guys. You do need some conditioning in those muscles, so make sure you're going with good technique but nice and heavy to make those traps grow. Please make sure to subscribe, like and comment. Here's a few of the thumbnails of our latest videos. Here is a full list of our videos, and we have now over 200 videos available for you on full subscription. Send us an email, nnfitnessonline@gmail.com, and of course please leave a comment below. Thanks guys.